On today's install, we're going to show you a simple part from Acelytech that's going to light up the license plate on your 94 through 2004 Mustang. The 94 to 04 Mustangs were built a long time ago at this point, long before cars had factory LEDs. What we're going to do today is upgrade our license plate lights with a modern set of LEDs from Acelytech. These are going to be complete replacement housings, so not only getting an LED bulb, you're getting a whole new lens assembly, which make it a lot brighter than the factory setup. The housings are right here. They're held in by two Phillips head screws. And these do strip easily, so sometimes they take a little bit of work to get out. Sometimes they do stick. A small pick if you need to. Twist the harness off and then remove the factory bulb by pulling it out. These little retainers have to be transferred over. You simply just squeeze and remove them. And install these in our new Acelytech lighting. And it's ready to go on the car. I'm going to plug this in where the bulb was. Give it a quick check now, make sure it lights up. Once we've tested that it works, we put it back in. It will actually only fit in here one way, so if it doesn't fit, that means you have it backwards. And then reinstall the screws. Here's a quick comparison before we do it with the lights off. Now, to be 100% honest, obviously our factory ones were a little bit worn out, but there's no comparison between LED. And you can see with the lights out, I mean, there's just no comparison. It's night and day difference with the LED bulbs. Simple installation makes the license plate a lot more visible at night. The Acelytech LED license plate lights will make a huge difference on your 94 through 04 Mustang. They're extremely easy to install. The only tool needed is a Phillips head screwdriver, and about 15 minutes to be back on the road in no time.